This is my first time here. Wombat's been gone 3 years.
Aroha McCormack met Jai Wombat Keane driving trucks up in the Pilbara. In February 2021, she was coming off a night shift when she learned he'd taken his own life. This is where he spent his final moments.
I haven't had the courage to come here, but now I feel like it's time to come and see where Sorry.
Mrs. McCormack says his death came as a shock.
Obviously there was a lot of pain in his life that he didn't show, and it's very sad because he left behind loving family and loving friends, and you know, I don't think he realised just how much he was loved.
More than 16% of Western Australia's workforce is in construction and mining, as of the 2021 census.
New research shows the state's construction workforce experiences suicidal thoughts and behaviours at 3 times the rate of the average adult Australian. Those in, fly out and drive-in, drive-out roles are particularly at risk, with 2.4% of FIFO workers and 5% of DIDO workers having attempted suicide in the past 12 months, compared to 0.3% of the general population.
Those particular roles can have a lot of social isolation or disrupted social patterns in terms of our major support groups.
The report outlined a number of recommendations for change, including stronger government policy to ensure workers can't be discriminated against for disclosing mental health issues, and more workplace programs to foster social connections.
Lonely workers, that was really one of the key factors that was predicting suicide, ideation, plans, and behaviours. So what we need to do in the workplace is really be attentive to those experiences of loneliness and to really think about how we can create social connectedness at work.
In the meantime, men's sheds in remote mining towns are taking on the task.
Gives you that place to go and talk to other men. Once you're working 12 hours a day and everything like that, you know, you in Pilbara it is fairly isolated, very hot place. Yeah, you just need something else to do, I think.
While Mrs. McCormack is finally putting her graphic design degree to use.
This is some of the journals that I've made for the FIFO communities.
The journals are made up of goal trackers, workout plans and mental health tips to help workers feel more in control. A lasting legacy for her friend Wombat, who Mrs. McCormack says was always able to make others smile. Bridget MacArthur, ABC News.
If you or anyone you know was affected by this video, please contact Beyond Blue on 1300 224 636 or Lifeline on 13 11 14.